to put restrictions on Safari. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put restrictions on Safari. To start the process, open your settings in your mobile device. Now scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Again, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here tap on Content Restrictions. Then tap on Web Content. From here, you can limit adult websites. You can also add websites to block them. If you select Allowed Website Only, you can choose your selected website from this list. Now tap on Add Website to add a website of your choice. Now enter the title and URL. This is how you can put restrictions on Safari. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.